Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to download a client invoice. So this is going to become particularly useful in case you actually need to prove that you have sent or paid an invoice to a client. So let's go ahead and get started. So on our Freshbooks account, we're going to go ahead and log in and reach our dashboard that looks like here. Then on the left-hand side, you want to go ahead and click on Invoices. Now, once you click on Invoices, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find the invoice that you want to go ahead and download. So here we have 4 demo invoices. So we're going to download this invoice from Peak Performance. Now, when you highlight it, you're going to see these 3 dots that say More Actions, and then click on Download PDF. So as you can see, it's preparing the files. Please keep this tab open. Now that the file has been downloaded, we're actually going to go ahead and open it up. And so here we have our demo invoice downloaded. So that is how to actually download a client invoice. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.